I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain.
Hello class, today we are learning about the water cycle. And to help us learn about the water cycle is my good friend, Randy the Raindrop. Hello students, my name is Randy the Raindrop, and I'm going to help Miss Martin teach you about water. Now run and go get a glass of water. I have mine right here. Now take a good long look at the water. Taste it even. Now, can you tell me by looking at the water how old it is? The water in your glass may have fallen from the sky as rain just last week, but the water itself has been around for pretty much as long as the earth has. Dinosaurs, like the Brontosaurus, walked through lakes feeding on plants, and your glass of water was once part of those lakes. The earth has limited amounts of water. The water keeps going around and around and around in what we call the water cycle. This cycle is made up of 4 different parts: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in rivers or lakes or the ocean and turns it into vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the body of water and creates condensation. Condensation is when water vapor cools down and changes back into liquid form. This makes clouds. Then comes precipitation. Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the air cannot hold it anymore. The clouds get heavy and water falls back to the earth in the form of rain, hail, sleet, or snow. Then collection. Collection is what happens when water falls back to the earth as precipitation. It may fall back into oceans or other bodies of water, or it may end up on land. When it ends up on land, it becomes groundwater. Demonstrate how the water cycle works. For this experiment, you will need a clear container, green Play-Doh, blue food coloring, plastic wrap and tape, and hot water, and a lamp that will represent the sun. Alright, first you will put your Play-Doh into your container. Then, carefully pour the hot water into the container, just an inch or 2. Make sure you have some towels in case you spill. One second. There we go. Now, if you haven't already added your food coloring, add a good couple of drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now take your spoon and stir in the food coloring really well so you can see the blue water. All right, now take the plastic wrap and put it over. Tape it so it's nice and tight. Here we go. Little tape there. And some right here. And within a matter of seconds, you can already see the water starting to form on the sides and top of the plastic wrap. And that is the water cycle. The steam of the water represents evaporation. Then there's condensation that gathers on the sides and top. And then it falls back down in precipitation onto land.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing.